Southern Launch differentiates ourselves in the market by having a deep understanding of what it is that's driving our customers to come and use our bespoke services. This means that we can tailor our service offering to meet their specific needs. From timeliness or detail of application, we can work with you to realize that best outcome.
We offer up logistics expertise to bring that here, so export controls, importation controls. We can also help you negotiate the regulatory landscape in Australia. And we've got a team that can really do all of that for you, so you can focus directly on your technology.
We will support our customers from the moment their equipment arrives on launch through the assembly process and deliver that to the pad ready to launch.
The Koonibba Test Range is a very unique location around the world. The site supports not only the launch of rockets out into the uninhabited desert, but it also supports the recovery of in-space manufacturing capsules. The site is so unique in that it allows the testing of these experimental vehicles.
The HyImpulse vehicle, SR75, is coming out from Germany to launch at the end of April. That vehicle is a really great new technology using some green hybrid fuel.
It'll be the first approved high-powered rocket permit in Australia. This is the first launch under 100 kilometres that's still approved by the Australian Space Agency, and this is a promising activity for Australia.
This is what we're here for, this is what we do, and it's our core operation. So we are super excited to get the HyImpulse launch delivered really successfully.
Southern Launch looks forward to supporting HyImpulse and other customers as they bring new and novel technologies to our ranges to test them in this safe environment.